Hey guys, let's take a tour of 277 Fifth Avenue. Here we are, guys, New York City. The tallest residential condominium in New York City are on Fifth Avenue. The heart of Nomad, just north of Madison Square Park. 277 Fifth Avenue. Beautiful 55-story tower building with 130 distinguished apartments. Views of the Empire State Building, the Chrysler Building, the Flatiron Building, One World Trade Center. This place is incredible. Great oversized windows, amenities. Place is amazing. Relax, take it in. Now that's a nice bathroom. Lady is back. So guys, if you need any help in New York City real estate matters, I would love to help you. Check us out. Hats off to you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Join our Facebook groups. Reach out to us. We'd love to help you. All the best. Kilby saying bye-bye.